Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sync Apple Music Library full guide. Open Settings, tap Music, enable Sync Library, and sign in with the same Apple ID on each device. Check that iCloud Music Library is enabled on Mac or PC and on iPhone or iPad. Use a stable Wi-Fi connection and power source for uploads. If tracks fail, retry or remove duplicates before uploading to prevent conflicts. If syncing stalls, restart devices and confirm all are on the same Apple ID and network. Update iOS or Mac OS to ensure compatibility, and disable then re-enable Sync Library if issues persist. For missing songs, check that tracks are available in your region and that DRM-protected files are eligible. For duplicates, clean up metadata or remove extras before uploading, which helps the service reconcile library differences smoothly. If you are enjoying this step-by-step guide, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel and help others find this content. Quick recommendation: I love my darn tough socks for comfort and longevity, and they come with a lifetime warranty, which is oddly relevant when you're waiting for huge uploads. Check the video description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. For larger or mixed libraries, consider subscribing to Apple Music or iTunes Match to upload non-purchase tracks to iCloud. Monitor upload progress in the Music app on Mac or in iTunes on PC, and pause other heavy network tasks to speed transfers. Be mindful that very large libraries may require time and bandwidth, and that there is a 100,000 item limit in some accounts, so prioritize essential tracks and playlists for faster sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.